Ayo, iSkill FIFA here and welcome by my first squad builder on this channel. Hope you guys enjoy. In goal we start off with Reina, second goalie from Bayern Munich. I only use him for chemistry reasons and I don't use Neuer because Neuer is too expensive. Then we move on to our left back position, that's Denisov. He plays in the Russia League. I only use him for chemistry reasons, but I got a little secret, he's the best left back I've used so far. Then we move on to our first central defending spot, Benatia. Just the best defender of this game, that's all I have to say. Then we move on to our other central defending spot, and there we go with Philip Santana. Everybody loves Philip Santana, he got 80 pace. We all love pacey defenders, so I recommend using him for you guys. Then we move on to our right back position, Maicon. He's not that good for me, he's solid, and I only use him for chemistry reasons. Then we move on to our first central midfield spot, that's Douglas Costa. He's from Brazil, 5-star skills, every single stat is really solid, 80 rated, he's just a beast for me. Then we move on to our first Brazilian, Vitinho. Vitinho got such an amazing stats for me. I mean, he's silver and look at his stats. They are just amazing. Then we move on to our last central midfield spot, Basuva. Basuva is just a tank. His 5-star skills with his dribbling, his shooting, his passing makes him absolutely solid. I recommend you guys using him. Then we move on to a right forward position with Kelvin. Kelvin is an amazing Brazilian for me. In FIFA 14 he was like the best Brazilian you can use. Now he's for me really solid as well. He's not that good as in FIFA 15, but he's very good. Then we move on to a striker position with Rafinha. I only use Rafinha for chemistry reasons, and so before the game starts I put Chikawi on. So then we move on to a left forward position with Neymar. Now we all know Neymar. He's just a really skilly player. He has 5-star skills, 5-star weak foot, just amazing. Then we move on with our bench spot. Actually our striker spot, because as soon as the game starts I put him on. It took me a while to find him. I don't know. I was kind of blind or something. Tired. Yeah, there he is. Chikawi. Such an amazing player. I recommend everybody to use him. He's the best striker I've used so far in FIFA 15. No, he's only 75 rated. But such a beast. He got 84 pace, 73 shooting, 80 passing, 86 dribbling and 70 physical. Only 75 rated, how is that even possible? 5-star weak foot, 5-star skill moves. I recommend everybody to use him. Such a beast. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel.